Windows update failed. 0x80070643. Fixed in under 2 minutes. Manual install from Microsoft's own catalog. No tools, no commands. Your update keeps failing at the same percentage? You've restarted twice and it's still there? Or Windows Update just says failed with no explanation and you don't know if your PC is broken or not? This is it. This error killed half a day for me before I found the one fix that actually works, the catalog bypass. Here it is. Open your Start menu and type Windows Updates. Open it. You'll see the failed update. It'll have a KB number next to it, something like KB50777241 or KB50341. Write that down or keep it visible. Now open your browser and go to catalog.update.microsoft.com, link in description. Search that KB number. You'll see a list. Match your Windows version. Usually it says Windows 10 or 11 and x64. Click download. A small window opens. That's normal, don't close it. Click the link inside. It downloads a .msu file. Once it's done, double click it and run it. It's from Microsoft's own server. You're safe. If a small installer opens, click yes, let it run. It'll take 1 to 3 minutes. When it finishes, or after a few minutes, restart your PC. A small installer will open. Just give it a minute. Click yes and let it run. It'll take 1 to 3 minutes. When it finishes, restart your PC. After restart, go back to Windows Update and hit check for updates. That KB number will be gone. That's how you know it worked. You just fixed it yourself without touching a single system file. If it's still showing, drop the exact KB number in the comments. Different KB numbers have one extra step, and I'll tell you exactly what it is. Comment if you're stuck. Subscribe so the next person searching this will find the quickest fix.